Advil Caplets shrink swollen nasal passages to open up your airways, making it easier to breathe. And this non-drowsy formula has the pain-relieving power to relieve your sinus pain. Uses: for effective relief of nasal congestion, sinus pain, headache, fever, body aches and pain, pain of sore throat. Active ingredients: ibuprofen 200 mg, pseudoephedrine hydrochloride 30 mg, analgesic, decongestant. Directions: adults and children over 12 to 65 years. Take 1 or 2 caplets every 4 to 6 hours as needed. Do not exceed these caplets in 24 hours, unless directed by a physician. Do not use longer than 3 days for fever or 5 days for pain relief or cold symptoms. Side effects: if abdominal pain, heartburn, nausea or vomiting, bloating, diarrhea or constipation, ringing or buzzing in the ears, nervousness, sleeplessness, dizziness, any change in vision, fluid retention, itching, skin rashes or any other side effect or unexplained symptom develops while taking Advil Caplets, discontinue use immediately and contact a physician. Caution: keep out of reach of children. This package contains enough medicine to seriously harm a child. Do not give to children under 12 unless directed by a physician.